We received the parcel from
Amazon!
okay, you want to open from? Mom's 5-minute gratitude journal.
Wow.
So guys, we received this. And look who's the author.
Mama and Nene creation.
Wow, so this is our creation. And look.
Look what's inside. It's so pretty.
Wow, amazing.
Happy,
To see
happy,
it.
happy.
And the way how it's printed is perfect. The
Perfect.
color, yeah.
Shout out to all the moms!
Shout out to all the moms. So this is all specially created for you to remind you to be grateful and to let you know that you are the best. Bye-bye to all the moms there.
Bye! Give a shout out to all the mommies!
Yeah.
Bye!